What's up, guys? Mike Dolce here, Millennial Money, and we are talking about getting you paid, baby. That's right. What are you doing, Millennial? Jesus. You are in debt and you are not making nearly as much money as you potentially could. So, Uncle Mike, I'm like the cross between Chet from Weird Science and Steve the Harrington from Stranger Things. I'm that really cool yet very stern older brother to snap you back into reality and make sure you become a millionaire. That's right, you, my friend, can and should be a millionaire. And I'm going to tell you how to do it. Now, what does this mean, Uncle Mike? How can I become a millionaire? Well, let me tell you. First and foremost, what we need to do is you need to read The Richest Man in Babylon. That's right, The Richest Man in Babylon. You need to spend $3.99 on Amazon, and you need to purchase this book, and you need to read it twice. It's a tiny little book. You can sit on the toilet and rip through it in probably under a week, no problem. You can lay in bed in your parents' house and you can read it in a night, no problem. You need to read The Richest Man in Babylon. Now, you need to start saving your money. Your money, not the government's money, not the credit card company's money, not Elon Musk's Tesla money. You need to start saving your money, and young money needs to pay old money. What does that mean? That means young you needs to save money for older you. So older you doesn't have to work, and older you doesn't have to worry about money. Isn't that cool the way that works? So you right now with your avocado toast and your $6 coffee with your skinny jeans that look terrible are blowing older you money. Live a casual life. You need to focus on generating more income and minimizing your outgo. You need to take your savings. You need to take a specific percentage of your savings every paycheck, every week, and you need to be saving this for older you. Now, I am not a financial professional. This is not financial advice. Whatever the caveats here, talk to a certified financial planner or an investment manager, if you will, but listen to a millionaire when he's talking. Okay, this is how it gets done. You take $100, you invest $100 at dollar cost averaging into a Roth IRA. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is an after-tax retirement vehicle with which you can take your money, you can take your $100, let's say $100 a week. That's approximate, let's say $400 a month weekly. That's anywhere between $4,800 to $5,200 per year. But for this example, I am going to say $400 per month. You can take $400 per month and you can invest that weekly. You can invest that into a Roth IRA. In that Roth IRA, every week you will drop $100. You will buy an array of mutual funds. Let's talk about the S&P 500. You'll buy a low turnover index fund of the S&P 500 in this hypothetical situation. It's not exact advice, but this is something that I do and I've done, and I want to help you better understand it. So you take $100 per week, you invest that into a Roth IRA. Let's say you're investing that into the S&P 500, an index fund. Inside that index fund, you just let it ride, baby. Dollar cost averaging. You buy it when it's on the way up, you buy it on its way down. That's what dollar cost averaging is. Every week you buy it. And you're going to continue to buy it. You're not even going to think about it. You're going to put it on auto draft. So every week it just goes through cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Now you can find an online app like Robinhood possibly. Robinhood is a free investment app. It costs absolutely nothing. I have a Robinhood account. I use Robinhood. I really like Robinhood. I have multiple accounts, but we'll just talk about Robinhood right now. So you can use your Robinhood account to purchase $100 worth of an S&P 500 index fund. The S&P 500 historically has garnered a 9% return on your money. So you can say, I'm going to get 9% per year at least. Now, if you become a little more shrewd, if you start to diversify a little bit, I'll talk about that in a later video. Now we can start talking about 10, 11, 12% or more. I'm averaging well above 12% spread across my portfolios. I can assume a 12% or greater return on all of my invested money. But we're not going to talk about that yet. I'll talk about a little piece of that at the end of this video. So now, millennial, I want you to be a millionaire. Are you listening? Are you listening to Uncle Mike right now? So what you can do is now your dollar cost averaging $100 and $100 per week, $400 per month. It's only $4,800 per year. The average salary of a 25 to 35-year-old millennial is $41,900 or more. So we're talking about less than 10%. 10% of your income you are saving, young you is saving for old you. That still gives young you 90% of your money to blow on your avocado toast and your expensive lattes, though Uncle Mike is going to tell you not to do that at all. What you need to be doing is saving your money, focused on saving, saving your money, focused on saving, saving your money, focused on saving, intelligent investments. A Roth IRA is a tax-free vehicle. What does that mean? It means your after-tax dollar today will grow completely tax-free. So older you does not have to pay taxes. Now let me show you the math. You at 25 years old, you want to retire at 65 years old. You have zero in retirement right now, but you will contribute $400 monthly, and you can expect an annual return of 9%. Guess what, millennial? That means when you're 65, you will have $1.767 million waiting for you. You had only contributed $192,000. You grew $1.575 million in non-taxable interest. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? We just made $1.5 million to do nothing other than save $100 per week. This is how you become rich and ultra wealthy. But now that's only at 9%. That's to get you started. Let's say you can earn 10% interest. Well, guess what? You just went from 1.7 million to 2.3 million. You want to get crazy now? Let's talk about what Uncle Mike is getting on his money. 12% returns. At a 12% return, you're going to have $4.12 million on that same $100. And that's to assume you haven't increased the $100. That's to assume you never got a raise over those 40 years. That's to assume you never contributed a single dollar more excuse me, than the $100 per week. That's how we do it. That's how you get it done. That's what you need to start thinking about. That's what we're talking about here on this channel. The Mike Dolce Show. Dolce knows this is the new channel. This is what we're talking about. We're talking about fitness. We're talking about finance. And we're going to talk about fighting too, because everyone needs to know how to throw a good old 1-2. Boom, boom. But we need to make money, baby. We need to make that money work for us, right? We need to be fit, we need to be strong, we need to be healthy, we need to be wealthy. We need to be badass mofos walking around this planet completely independent, not living in our parents' basement. You need to own real estate, you need to own investment properties, you need a diversified financial portfolio so you don't have to work. What I'm trying to teach you here is to put your money to work for you. If you are a millennial, you have time on your side. Compounding interest, the eighth wonder of the world. If you're not taking advantage of that, you done messed up. And Uncle Mike is not going to allow that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bang, 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 bang. Give this video a thumbs up. You better give this video a thumbs up. You either give me a thumbs up right now, bang, or you give me half your portfolio at retirement. How's that sound? Just put it into a trust. We'll talk about trust down the road. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you like the new format. And until next time, boom!